Hello guys, welcome back to another super fast tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to export video with a transparent background in Premiere Pro. So I've just added a video to my timeline and click on the wrench icon below the preview window and switch on Transparency Grid. Then go over to File and scroll down to Export and click on Media, or just press Ctrl and M buttons on your keyboard. Now expand Format and select QuickTime. Then under Video Codec, select the animation. Scroll down to Depth Area and select the Plus Alpha option. Now you can export your clip, and it will keep the background transparency of your video. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will reply as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.